Hmm. Hmm. All right, I'm making this on X's birthday, bro. I'm gonna just say Ja. Fuck the title, bro. Happy solar return to my boy. Happy birthday to XXXTENTACION, to Ja Seon Freud. I know his fucking middle name, Dwayne Ricardo. But yeah, man. That's not the point. I don't even know why I said that fucking other fact, but yo, bro. It's not wrong if I want to kill some motherfuckers, right? No, whoa. Before you take it out of proportion now, okay? Not just anybody. Hold on, let me check my points. Fuel points, this order. Ooh, okay, we got that fuel points. What? Got some fuel points. Okay, but yeah. I'm sorry. I know this sounds like I'm complaining. And I be bashing motherfuckers who complain, you know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of shit you could be doing. But listen. If you don't have the complexion I have, look at the damn screen. Because I know people be treating this like a podcast. Look at this. If you don't have this complexion, if you ain't got this complexion, if you don't look like this, we can't relate. We don't have the same reality. And now some motherfuckers are gonna be, they just gonna wonder, like, what you talking about? Let me tell you what I'm talking about. One thing I do not like, it actually burns me alive. Like, I know I be saying that to exaggerate, but this shit literally burns me alive. Like, I be wanting to go batshit sometimes. Like, I never really understood this whenever I was a kid. Never really even saw it when I was a kid, because it's not a reality, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you think, wherever your mind's at in the current state, that's really the reality you get. That's really all you see. You're not really going to get anything outside of that because you don't comprehend it. You don't see it. You don't focus on it. That's like whenever you're not looking for something, you don't see it. The more you know, the more you see, the more you feel. I don't like the fact that whenever I see people, they be chilling, they be, you know what I'm saying, walking throughout the store, they doing whatever. Everybody can fucking, I just use the self-checkout. I'm going to just say that as a prerequisite before I go in. I like to use the self-checkout. I don't like having too many interactions unless I have to. Only because I know energy exchange is very fucking, it's precious. It's not even precious, it's sensitive. If you get, you know what I'm saying, when you get in chemistry with the good motherfucker, you have, you know what I'm saying, it boosts your day. Whenever you be having chemistry with a, you know what I'm saying, like a negative ass motherfucker who just like ruin your vibe, that shit can low-key fuck up your day, or it can just fuck you up for the moment unless you're strong enough to get out of that. And then there's motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying, they just innocent, they be just having awkward energy, so it kind of leave you looking awkward until you have the next interaction, or until you just forget about it and shake it off. And sometimes you don't even need interaction for that shit to fuck you up. Like, I'm glad yeah, thanks mom, I bought these chips, you know what I'm saying? She gave me the 20. I used the 20 on some ZQL and some chips. Man, I can't even write this, bro. Long story short, I know motherfuckers thinking I'm gonna steal. Nigga, it's a bag of chips and some NyQuil. Who's gonna steal that? Who's gonna fucking risk their reputation, risk going to jail, risk getting looked at, risk getting ran out the store for some ZQL and some fucking chips? It's a grocery store at that. But listen, like I be saying, I don't really be seeing, because I be checking in my peripherals, I be looking at shit. I don't really see this body language. I don't be seeing this type of behavior whenever motherfuckers be going to the self-checkout. Whenever they be going to check out, whenever they be going towards the store, because they have to check out towards the front of the store, ironically, instead of having it in the back. I mean, actually, that's kind of retarded, because motherfuckers would be stealing shit on the front, towards the front of the store, but then they be having the shit at Walmart where they check you with the receipt. Anyways, I just felt whenever I was going, I was about to leave, I was going to go to the self-checkout and shit, because, you know what I'm saying, there was no register open except one, and that lady looked like a Karen, so I ain't even want to fuck with her. Tell me why whenever I was going, homeboy, there was one dude who normally manages the front, like not even the self-checkout, he just manages the front, you know what I'm saying? He just checks the front, make sure people who coming in ain't going out with no bags, people who going out with the bags ain't coming back in, shit like that. I was going, I had my shit, I went to the first register on the right, so boom, I bust the corner, there's 6 registers, and I went to the first one on the right. Karen on the fucking register, she wanted to, you know what I'm saying, make the body language turn around and start easing towards my way. You know what I'm saying? Looking over this shit, low-key. Like, I just saw her peeking from my peripherals. I was just staring hard at the screen the whole time, just looking to make sure that everything was going over the scanner in the bag, you know what I'm saying? Homeboy was blocking the shits. He went from in front of the store to where, you know what I'm saying, the shelves are and everything, away from the front door to in front of the front door to right, you know what I'm saying, where I have to walk out. But Ray was standing right there. He was standing right there, blocking the whole fucking way where you walk out, like self-checkout. And I was like, all right, yo, whatever. I'm overthinking. He's just still, he's just chilling. Happens to be chilling there, walk right there when I'm about to check out. And then both of them actually just close, just real close to me, just super stupid close, right? And then homeboy goes from blocking the walkway to going right behind me. Like, not directly behind me, but he was to my right side. Still watching me. I know that. He wasn't just chilling right there. Because I could just, you can feel when someone's looking at you. And felt both of those motherfuckers, dog. I'm not even going to get into the rest. Y'all just know it's just a race situation. As soon as I got done, as soon as I checked out, boom, they just went. Karen over there shut her damn register off. So I don't even think she was there the whole time, all right? Because I heard them talking. There was nobody in there. I heard them talking and conversating. I just think she was over there chilling. But she turned her register off as soon as she heard a little chime, you know what I'm saying? So, the transaction was complete. As soon as it was complete, homeboy walked away. He walked away. I mean, I know this is protocol, so you make sure nobody steal, but who's going to steal a bag of chips? That's not cool. I know motherfuckers really be about that, but I'm that. I really only see it whenever niggas with my complexion. That shit be annoying me. So the point of me making this video, racism, not even racism, racist people, because that's an idea. That's not a tradition. That's not a culture. That's not a law. That's an idea. It's a feeling. People who are being taught that, people who carry that out at that, need to die. There's no equal rights, equal fights, you know what I'm saying? We need equality, you know what I'm saying? Because you can have laws in place, you can have rules in place, but motherfuckers are still going to hold that underlying feeling. It doesn't matter what you set in place on paper. Feelings, actions, they say something else. And whenever it comes to the fucking judicial system or fucking the law system of law, whatever you fucking want to call that shit, there's two sides of it, maybe three. This is how white people get treated. This is how black people get treated. And this is how people with money get treated. Okay? There's race and then there's money. I feel like that idea, that whole fucking racist culture just needs to die with people who carry it. Because it's dead ass like a virus, like a parasite. Hold up. Damn, I can't even write this shit. Damn, hold up. Fuck it, I'll do it when I get it. But yeah, that's an idea that needs to die with the people who carry it, bro. Long story short. Because a lot of people like to, you know what I'm saying, they ignore the problem. They like to push it to the wayside. They just want to pull a Martin Luther King, non-violence, non-aggression, and just power through a problem that honestly needs physical action done to eliminate it. Just like how motherfuckers wanted to come over here, wanted to go wherever the fuck they came from, and they wanted to just, long story short, run shit, which they did. The motherfuckers had to die over that. I don't know why nobody feels like that's necessary to do anymore. Why does motherfucker want to leave as soon as I leave? Anyways, I'm not even gonna fucking pay attention to that. Anyway, people think that anyone would be in the wrong. Like, if I were to punch one of the motherfuckers, because honestly, that shit annoys me. I don't see them. I go in the store all the time. I ain't going front. I go in the store all the fucking time. I don't see that kind of behavior with anybody else. Because I'm really the only black nigga that be shopping at Harris Teeter. We're really one of the few black people who live over here in this majority white neighborhood. So that's why I say this so confidently. Like, if I was over here fucking, you know what I'm saying, back where I lived in my townhouse and shit, damn, my black side coming out, bro. I don't even be saying, you know what I'm saying, all like that, bro. It just makes me mad, bro. Like, whenever I was living with all my niggas and shit, where everybody was fighting in the neighborhood and motherfuckers would be going to the gas station to get snacks. I remember going to the gas station to get snacks. Now I'm going to Harris Teeter. That's white as fuck, bro. And I don't be seeing any kind of behavior with anybody else. But whenever I be walking over there to check out, period, not just on days where it's empty and like quiet, I just be seeing the behavior, period. Even with my own people, bro. They be working at the store, they be treating me like that. I'm like, yo, you my nigga. Damn. But nah. I don't understand. Like, fuck the store part. That's not even what I'm on right now. It's just the whole idea of racism, bro. Like, I already know how people be feeling just by the way they be acting, the way they be looking, the way they be speaking. Why hide it? The KKK be out. They be sort of out with it. They got masks on, but I mean, saying at least they press their issue. Like, they'll tell you, all right, I can run a fade right there, but if you want to act, you know what I'm saying, you want to just give me the fake tucked in lip smile and shit, and you want to act like everything's straight, I don't fuck with that, man. Like, it's funny that I'm making this too, because I just made a video. I wasn't even gonna post it, but I guess I might as well post it, because this shit got me heated, bro. Be genuine with the energy, bro. X was really about that. X didn't wear a mask. He didn't change himself, change his image for the liking of other people, for the comfort of other people. He just came as he was. And a lot of people don't know how to do that because they're scared to. Because they care too much about what other people think, what other people say, etc. They care about stuff outside of themselves instead of how they feel about themselves, you know? Press your issue if you got one. Or shut the fuck up and get out my way, bro. Because, man, sometimes I be just willing to risk it all, bro. Like, not even just fucking just punch niggas, but just say fuck it. Like, this whole little system that we got, that we call the United States, that we call this world, as it's running right now, it's toxic. And it's based off, it really runs and it thrives off the suffering of us as humans. But they call it the human race. You know what I'm saying? Now that I think about it. Now that I actually think about it, it can only be a race if you have people running the race and somebody watching it. You can't watch a race if you're in it. And they call it the human race. And we've seen aliens inside. I'm not going to get into that. Anyways, racism needs to die, or somebody like me will kill it. Because that shit, I feel like just ignoring the problem and just living with it isn't making anything better. Matter of fact, it makes it grow stronger. It's almost like you ignoring a fucking tumor. Or you ignoring you have a cold. Like, oh, I'm not going to fix. I'm just going to, just walk it off. Nigga, what? Bro. Shit is stupid, bro. And if you're not feeling the way I'm feeling, click the fuck off and just, if you ain't even still watching, I don't give a fuck. I just got to press my issue, because me just talking about it like this is good for the time being and blow off steam, but I'm not always going to be like this. That's it.